Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying focused. One of the biggest things that I have learned over the years is that you need to be prepared. You need to grocery shop, but even before you do that, you need to think of what you want to make meal ideas, okay? And I have tons on my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to go through my groceries because that is huge before you meal prep, right? So you need to have your idea, you need to write them down, and then you need to grocery shop and come up with some really nice, easy meals, which is what I do. And that has helped me lose all this weight and to maintain. So I'm going to go through what I bought. And while I go through, I'm going to tell you some ideas and what I'm going to be making this week. All right. So let's get started. All right. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to start with my Walmart finds. So my daughter and I love feta cheese, and we like to add that to our salads. And I like to throw it in my omelets, my frittatas, okay, my egg muffins. It's versatile. And of course, my favorite here in Canada are the low-fat Parmesan and Asiago. It comes in Romano Zerto brand cheese. Why? Because for 6 tablespoons is only 4 smart points. And I add that cheese to all of that. And if I make pastas, I throw it into my pasta dishes, my spaghetti sauce. Okay. I love it over chicken, and it's versatile and nice and low and guilt-free. The other cheese that I love is the Saputo light mozzarella. Again, I use that for all of those that I mentioned. And I'm going to be making this week with this chicken meat a skinny white sauce lasagna. How does that sound? I know. So I wanted to be prepared because I wanted to have obviously everything in the house. So I have my peppers, and my peppers I use in my stir fries, in my salads. I love to roast them. I like to add them to my burgers. You can check all my recipes, my veggie burgers, my chicken burgers, and you can add them to pretty much your eggs, your egg muffins, your frittatas, your quiches, your omelets, okay? Always good to have a variety, and I love the different colors. And mushrooms. I just buy the canned mushrooms, but I also buy cremini mushrooms as well. Another nice high protein is, it's upside down, oops, is the tuna. And I just made my tuna burgers, but I love just making tuna and making tuna salad, throwing it in my salads, my tuna burgers, as I mentioned, or patties. So I like having that. And some chicken broth, because I thought that will be really nice when I make my lasagna this week for some really nice flavor. I decided to buy a spring mix. Sometimes I just buy spinach, and I do have that as well in the house, but I love romaine lettuce, and I like to combine even with kale to make my salads, okay? And yes, you know, I like snacking, so I have my veggie straws, but I have lots of other snack ideas also on my video, but these were on sale, so I bought a couple of packages, of course. Now, I'm going to show you a few ingredients here. What do you think I'm going to make? I'll give you a few seconds. All right. Okay, so chickens were on sale. So when they're on sale for only $6 for a nice sized chicken, I am going to be making with parsnips, parsley root, dill, celery, with carrots, onions, and bay leaves, all the ingredients for a hearty chicken soup. All right, chicken broth. And I'll be making my matzah balls probably, and some pasta, my daughter, my husband, and my mother. everybody loves a nice hearty chicken soup, and depending on when you're watching this, it's winter time. So I like making a lot, and I don't believe in just using bones, my friends. You see, I've bought 3 whole chickens, and they're nice size. Plus, you need the vegetables and the dill and all of this and onions to give it really good flavor. So that's what I'm making this week, along with my skinny lasagna that I mentioned. So I'm very excited, and I'll be doing videos. The other thing I love are lemons, because you can add it to hot water. It's a good natural detox. I add it to my muffins, my breads, banana bread, different loaves that I make, okay? And I just love having fresh lemons in the house. So you can see that I have different cheeses, protein, and you haven't even seen my freezer, what's in there, because I make lots of stuff, so then it's available. All right. Now, I also went to the low-carb grocery store. I love the low-carb grocery store, and look at, they even gave me a couple of bags. One of my favorite treats, again, I love my snacks, are these kale chips. And to even snack on, I love this cereal. It's by K's, and it's, look at that, 12 grams of protein. That's in 1 cup, high fiber, low sugar. And I thought of a cereal snack that I'm going to be making and doing a video on, using some Joseph syrup. Now, I love the Joseph syrup. I use that for my homemade granola and the PB2 powder. You know, I love it. I use it in tons of my recipes, my sauces, my muffins. Okay. And it's so versatile. Add it to Cool Whip, add it to your yogurt, your overnight oats. Absolutely love it. And again, with the syrup too, it's nice and thick. So instead of using honey, I use this syrup, and it is so tasty. No aftertaste. Now, I haven't tried this one yet. I love Smucker's and I love peach. So I'm going to come up with some cool recipes. Just wait and see. I do love the Lily's chocolate chips, and they're super delicious. And I'm going to be doing some treats with that. These chocolate chips, but I like the other chocolate chips that I use too, the Sensado. And for a change, I decided to buy this high protein, low carb, of course, bread, and it's a cinnamon raisin for a treat. And you can see that the slices are not thin, they're nice and thick, and only 70 calories, 0 saturated fat, 0 sugar, and 7 grams of protein. Okay, so it's Baker's Deluxe. Now, you know, I always talk about my Konjac noodles because I absolutely love them. They are gluten-free, soy-free, high in fiber, vegan. They're high in calcium and low in calories, okay? But the most important is delicious, because I add them to my stir fries, my sauces that I make, all right? They're just absolutely amazing. Add lots of vegetables to them. I just rinse them off, pat them dry, add a little bit of onion and garlic powder to it, and away you go. Another one that I also love is the Fiber Gourmet. And today I bought a couple of packages of the rotini, and also the Joseph's pita, which I love. 60 calories, 6 grams of protein. Absolutely amazing. You can make just anything on these. You can add your PB2, add a little bit of water to that, make a PB2 with bananas on it, or some jam, peanut butter and jam. You can add tuna to it. You can add chicken meat to it. You can make it into pizzas, right? So many recipes on my YouTube, as well as the Mama Lupas. And I love those as well to make so many recipes, my quesadillas and pizzas. I love it just like that. I love to toast them and get them super duper crispy. Okay, so you can check out all my other recipes. And I hope this was helpful. Let's turn the camera around again. See my face. So yeah, you really have to make sure you have all the good products in your house. You have to have a good amount of veggies, proteins. I have lots of fruit already in the house, so I didn't buy extra. I keep frozen fruit, I keep fresh fruit. So having things available will keep you inspired, motivated and on track. And of course, you need to be able to bake things or have some delicious snacks available. So check out my snack video. But at a lot of these grocery shopping hauls, I do mention different snacks that I love, and you can check those out as well. So I hope it was great for you to watch. And remember my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. And of course, make sure you've subscribed and you like and comment, ask me questions, take pictures of the recipes that you've made that are mine and tag me. Don't be shy and ask me questions, okay? I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help you. Love you. Mwah. Bye for now.